We'll guide you through how to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Binance. And so you want to go and connect and set up Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is a great way of securing your Binance account, because when you go and log into Binance, you're going to need to go and enter in the code generated by Google Authenticator. So you need to go and open up the Google Authenticator app on your phone. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, you'll need to go and be logged into Binance. You can see I already am here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go to the top left on the homepage and go and find the three lines. Tap that there, and this opens up this page here, and you can see some different info here. You can go and access your settings in the top right, but what we need to do is go and tap on the account here. You can then go and see your Binance ID and registration info. You need to go down and find security though. Now in security, you need to go and find the option for Authenticator app, and you can tap there. So now we need to go and get Google Authenticator if you haven't already. So I've already got it on my phone. You can see Authenticator here, but if you don't, you can go and open up the App Store or Play Store, depending upon your device. Press search in the bottom right, and I could then go and search for Authenticator or Google Authenticator, and we should be able to go and find it. I can type it in correctly. As you can see, it is this one here, Google Authenticator. So you can go and get it. And now let's go and return to Binance, and we're going to go and press enable. Now you're going to go and be given a key here and a QR code. I'm just going to be blurring this here, but I'm going to go and press copy to the right. And we've now gone and copied it. So you could go and scan the QR code if you're doing it on another device, but we're doing it on the same device. So it's easier to go and copy the code. Open Authenticator. You can go and see I've got some other codes here. What you want to do is go and press plus in the bottom right, and we're going to press enter a setup key as we just copied that. Now you can go and give this a name. So I'm going to type in Binance here. Make sure you name it correctly and one you can distinguish, because otherwise you may get confused. And then what I'm going to do here is click on your key or tap there and go and tap on the line, and we're going to go and paste in the code we copied from Binance. Then you go and press add. Now it's going to go and add the code. So you can go and tap the code to go and copy it, and we're going to return here. Press next to the bottom, and then just to go and confirm the app's been set up, go and paste in the code and press submit. And that's it. You can go and see it was added.